Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, we are going to do a most requested episode for today, and I'm going to share to you my most used luxury bag collection. Yes, so I'll be sharing to you 5 bags in total. So I have 1 Chanel, 3 Louis Vuitton, and 1 Coach bag. I'm so excited to be sharing this most requested video for you. So guys, I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and leave a comment down below. Also, follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @Ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so let us begin. Let us start first with my most used Chanel bag, and it is my Chanel Rodeo flap bag. Yes guys, so I'm sure this is not what you are expecting. Maybe you are expecting that my most used Chanel bag is my vintage Chanel flap bag. Yes, she is also my favorite, but she is number 2. But among my Chanel bag, this is my most used bag. When I would be going out and I wanted to use a Chanel bag, this is always on top of my list. And the reason for this one is because she is very different. She is a seasonal Chanel bag, that is number 1. And number 2 would be, she is a very carefree bag. So her material is a perforated calfskin leather in metallic silver finish with the timeless CC logo in front. She is very malleable. I love her style, guys. So as you can see, she has this very beautiful silver chain strap that is non-adjustable, which is also perfect for me. But if you are going to wear her like this as a shoulder bag, it is very comfortable. As you can see, she has enough drop that you are not going to worry that you're going to smoosh your bag. So every time that I would be carrying her, I feel, that she is very easygoing. And her size, guys, this is a 26 centimeter size. So I could carry all of the essentials that I need. And, I'm carrying a Chanel bag. She carries a lot of my stuff. She is very beautiful. She's very shiny because she is silver. That is why she is one of my most used Chanel bag for 2024. Alright, let us move on to my next used luxury bag. Actually, it is more on the contemporary bag, but I would just like to include it here, and it would be my Coach Quilted Tabby size 26 color Hay. So yes guys, I super love this bag. So I have actually 3 bags in my collection. I love them all. They're all tabbies. But every time I would be going out and I wanted to carry a Coach bag, this is my top 1 choice. So this is a size 26. I love the size of this one because it carries all the essentials that I need. I could survive the entire full day of activities with just this bag. And of course, I love the look of this bag. So this is the new and trending bag of Coach currently. So this new collection, they have released new different colors. I love carrying this one mainly as a shoulder bag like this. So it has enough shoulder drop that I'm not again afraid to be smooshing this bag. But of course, if I'm doing a shoulder bag, I would be putting her like this. And every time I am carrying this one, I feel very flirty. I feel that I am in a 90s era. But of course, if for example you want to be a little bit more carefree, wants to be more hands-free, you could just adjust the strap and carry her as a crossbody bag. So this one has organizational compartment, as you could see here. So normally I'll be putting my phones at the back and power bank. I will be putting my makeup kit, my medicine kit over here, and then of course on this one I will be putting a slim card holder. And of course on this one, this I'm not really using it as much. And of course at the back, so she comes with a very spacious back pocket, so you could insert your phones, to be honest. So you could insert this one no problem. As you can see, But since this has a magnet, I'm not really using it to store my phones because I'm afraid that it may damage my phone. So I don't use it for phone purposes. So this one has multiple uses. And if I could add more Coach tabby bag in my collection, definitely I would. I would want to have a black one with gold hardware. And guys, I am also in love with the the Coach Tabby 12. Definitely it is on my list, and I super love having my Coach quilted tabby size 26. Alright, so now let us move on to my Louis Vuitton most used bag. So currently I have 3. So if you have been following me, the very first one, guys, this is definitely always on my list. It is my Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch 26. Yes, so this one technically is an SLG or is a toiletry kit. But me, guys, I use this one as an actual handbag. So I have purchased an insert wherein I could attach a chain over here. I'm just going to put a photo. So she's very spacious. And guys, I have carried this one. If you have seen my Hong Kong vlog, I'm going to link the playlist up above. I have carried this one in, guys, I think that was the very first time that I've used my toiletry pouch 26 in an international travel, because I purchased this one during the pandemic and I love using this one. So she's very easy, very carefree. So when I purchased this one, the price of this one was still very affordable compared to the prices right now. So since the prices is not that too expensive, I am not afraid to be carrying her. So her canvas is very durable. I am not afraid with watermarks, scratches. The only vachetta over here would be on this side. Her patina is doing wonderfully. The zipper, guys, the zipper is very smooth. It's buttery smooth. So I would just be open. I can open it with one hand, and I could get my phone, maybe my card for the train station, money. I don't have any issues. And normally I would be carrying this one as a crossbody bag. So guys, I really do recommend that you purchase either the trio posh toilet. So it would come already with the 26, the 18 or 20, and of course the 15 for the price of one. Although if you would be asking me among the 3 which one is my favorite, definitely it would be the 26 for me, because this one houses all the essentials that I need. Just imagine I was able to travel with this one. I could spend with this bag on a whole day activity and I would be happy with it. Alright, so the next used luxury bag in my collection, still we are at Louis Vuitton. It would be Alma, guys. So it would be both my Alma. So first let us discuss my Alma PM. So since I have mentioned that the toiletry pouch 26 I have carried in my 10-day travel in Hong Kong. So this is her partner. So this is the PM size. So it is much bigger than the BB. The material is in the understated epi leather. The color is noir. The hardware is gold. So I purchased this one pre-love. So this is a vintage bag, but I am so in love with this one. So the reasons why I am in love with this one, because I purchased this one such a steal. Thus, I am not afraid to carry with this one. The epi leather, guys, I could not recommend to you enough. I think I have mentioned that a million times here in the vlog, but I feel that she is the unsung hero, the epi leather of Louis Vuitton. So if you are not a fan of epi leather, or if you do not have any epi leather in your bag collection, I recommend getting an epi leather bag from LV, because look at this one. This is more than 25 years old, but look at her. She is still in perfect, pristine, brand new condition, as you can see. And of course, the epi leather, guys, is virtually indestructible. You could do it like this. You could put scratches. There won't be literally no scratch anywhere. So watermarks, water stains, you would not have any issues. And of course, since she comes with a treated leather, there would not be any water stains, for example, with a vachetta leather. So the size of this one is perfect for me, because if, for example, I wanted to carry, you know, many things with me, including, like, for example, a water bottle, a small umbrella, my 2 phones, power bank, makeup kit, medicine kit, everything, it could fit here plus more. Even, like, for example, your entire sunglass shades, or even the case could fit in here. I will be doing, guys, a separate vlog, like, for example, because it has also been requested what fits inside. So I'm going to put or do an in-depth of what fits inside, but this one definitely is one of my favorite. Thus, She is a perfect contender every time I would be doing an international travel. And last but not the least, on my most used luxury bag, let me just get her. It would be Patience, my Louis Vuitton Alma BB, and in the My LV World Tour collection. So just a brief comparison, guys. Again, if you are not familiar of the size, so we have the BB and we have the PM. So as you can see, the BB is a little bit smaller compared to the PM. So for example, you want, let's say, a bag that could transition from a bag that you could carry on a whole day activity, and of course you have a special event, maybe a dinner or a fashion show at the end of the night. This is the perfect bag for you. So her size, even though smaller than the PM, still carry all of the essentials that I need. I'll be creating a separate vlog so we can do a size comparison. I'm so lucky. Again, I haven't sung enough praises with this bag because this is a My LV World Tour wherein you are going to be given a chance to customize your bag, and that's what I did. So the first thing that I requested was to remove the vachetta leather, so I'm not going to be afraid of water stains and patina. Thus, this can be considered a very carefree bag. The interior is red, as you can see, so that is one of the changes that I did as well. And of course, for fun, for really making this bag mine, I added stickers according to the way I like them. So I added front and back. So this one comes with a detachable strap. So the detachable strap is over here. It is non-adjustable, unfortunately. So I'm using other strap because the strap that it comes with this one is a little bit longer. So it would sit on below my hip area, and unfortunately, whenever I am carrying this one as a crossbody, it feels really awkward. So I'm carrying a much shorter bag strap, and then it would be above my hip bone area, which I feel would be better. I love carrying this one two ways, top handle, and if I want to be carefree, so let's say I'm doing errands or doing a shopping vlog, I would be carrying this one as a crossbody bag. So these two bags, guys, I really do love the shape of Alma from Louis Vuitton. They're very classic. If you haven't have any Almas on your collection, guys, I would recommend get them right away, especially with the prices, the skyrocketing prices of LV. I have asked recently on my visit, just the regular Louis Vuitton Alma BB, let's say in the monogram canvas vachetta combination. When I first saw this one at the store, it is only around 75,000 Philippine pesos. But the last time that I've asked, around July, after the price increase, it is now 111,000 pesos. Wow. So get them right away, guys. Get them brand new. Get them pre-loved. Anyway, this is very beautiful, very classic, very stylish, and definitely, you know, for me, that is the reason why I really love this bag, using it, and part of the most used luxury bag. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So guys, hopefully you enjoyed our most used luxury bags. I would love to hear from you. So among your collection, guys, what are your favorite? What are your most used? Kindly comment down below. And if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a sunny emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at RamiraFi2 for daily updates and silent tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!